Hello Libra, this is your quick oracle reading. Gamit natin si Dark Mirror. So kung bago ka dito, please do subscribe, like, and share. At bigyan natin kung ano ba yung message para sa'yo, Libra. Okay, so what we got is art number 12, artificial heart. Alam mo, ang hirap talaga magpanggap na minsan concerned tayo sa ibang tao or affected tayo. Pero minsan kailangan natin gawin because we need to make them believe that someone cares. Oo, kaplastikan siya kung titignan natin. Pero minsan kasi yung actions natin yon ginagawa natin, malaki yung nagiging positive impact dun sa tao. That's a sacrifice sa ginagawa natin, Libra. But at the end of the day, etong mga taong to, you are leaving a good impression to them. You are giving them hope. You are giving them yung realization na, ay hindi, may naniniwala pa sa akin. Yes, sa tingin ng iba, or minsan nararamdaman mo na nagiging parang plastic ka lang sa ginagawa mo. But in reality, you are already giving out love. Hindi mo na napapansin dahil possible, iba yung love language na kaya mong i-express versus sa ginagawa mo. But what you are doing is actually a form of a love language. Na hindi mo alam, ang daming natatouch sa ginagawa mo ngayon in a positive way. I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo, and I'll see you very soon.